Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix VCRUNTIME140.dll is not found or missing. Let's fix it guys. Just need to open up Chrome and search VCRUNTIME140.dll and we will get this dllmail.com site. Click on it and you just need to select the download option. Right click on the select option next to 264-bit and select open new tab. And same thing for 32-bit. Right click and select open in new tab. And now you just need to scroll down and select I am human. After getting verified and select start download option. And now again it's verify. Click on check and it will start downloading. Select this option to download start. And again scroll down. I am human and select start download. And download will begin in 10 seconds. Close the ad and it will start downloading. You just need to extract it guys. Just right click on it and select extract option and select extract. After getting extract done, just to close stuff here. Again do the same thing for 64-bit. After getting extract done both file, just need to drag and drop to desktop. Now open the file explorer, go to this PC, local disk C, Windows folder, find system32, just double click on it. And now you just need to copy the 64-bit DLL guys. This is mentioned as 64. Just copy DLL just by drag and drop and select replace in file destination and select continue. After getting pasted done, you just need to go back to Windows and now find SYSWOW64, double click on it. We downloaded x86. This is the 32-bit DLL. Just drag and drop to this SYSWOW64. After getting this complete, you just need to close tab here and you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, you just need to open up Chrome and search Visual C++ and press enter. Select the first link, scroll down and download the x64 and x86. Download both links. After getting download done, you just need to install it guys. After the installation done, restart your PC. After restarting your PC, your problem should be fixed. And that's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.